Hi, it's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Physically, I'm not doing too good today, so I'm out in the garage hiding from the wife until she catches me. Um, I did something to my neck. I don't know what it was. I got out of the emergency room. They gave me a bunch of drugs down there. I don't like drugs, but it's working today. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to turn it around. We're working on a 30 amp. I made a homemade extension cord, I don't know, many years ago. Show you what's up with it. So this one, it's like 25, 30 foot long. This connector here, you can see is getting burnt. It became loose after years of usage because right out there is where I bring them in. Everybody hooks up some 30s and some 50s. And this was sent to me by a vendor, and I already did his 50 amp, but I got to take these two screws out here. This plate comes out, then I'll take these two screws out and I'll replace it with this. I'm going to put you on hold and we're going to take it apart now. Okay, basically that's out of the box now. I'll take these two screws out, but see, there's your ground, right? And then there's your power and your neutral. Now I want to show you something a lot of you don't see on here, but you see this right here? That's the strip line. You lay that wire down there and you strip it that length. Alright, so, and there's some other little Q things in here, but that's your ground. And there's a silver screw for a reason and a brass screw for a reason. One is neutral and power. Alright, so it goes like this. Alright, recreational vehicle use only. 30 amp, 125 volt grounded. So I'm going to unscrew these screws right here, get that off, and open this box now. Put you on hold. Alright, so this is what I get for lending it out. Here, I'm going to show you what happened. See all the rust? Well, watch this. Look at all the water got down in there. That's not a waterproof one. That teaches me to do that. Here's the part I don't like is I already took this off. There was a ground from there to there. But look how corroded that is. Alright, so it did get loose to heat it up, so I'm going to take all this off. Alright. And she's rusted on there, so I got some PV blaster I'll soak it with for a while. I'll get back with you once I get it off. And then I'll put the new one on. Alright, let's see if it's a Chinese made one or let's see, listed UVP. Right, white line, right. White goes there, so that's telling you the brass is the power, the shiny one is the neutral, and the green is the ground. Alright, so not only do we have to have a green, we have the green going to the box, and we have to have the green going to the cable, so everything's grounded pretty bad off. And that teaches me once again in life not to lend it out. If you're going to use this is for inside the shop basically, so I don't really get a lot of water in the shop. Thank you. Put you on pause. Another quick thing to show you. This is supposed to be held down continuously. That's why the plate came loose. Look at that. That's supposed to be up against there like that. It's not spring loaded, folks. It's probably a washer dropped off. I don't see it in there, or they smack them. You can't smack them. You got to push them in slow and hard. See, that one's secured on there. This ain't coming up. Alright. So, this is a side entry one. Alright, and this is a top one, so this might not work. We got a side entry right there. There we go, side entry. Alright, so that's going to work. Alright, put you on pause again. Alright, folks, there we are. We got the white wire going to the silver screw. It's even marked white in there on some of them. See it right there? And the black always goes to the copper or brass looking, and the green is always ground. Alright, Notice how I tied the ground to the metal casing because this is metal. Alright, so that's that little bit done. I'll put the 4 screws back in there, right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. It also could be center mounted right here on these 2. Alright. It's a 4-corner box. I like them better. Homemade extension cord. Alright folks, finished project, all new. I can verify it by the 30 amp plug. Hold on for a second. This will be the next one I'm doing. You see how that's melting down there? I'll take the case. I ain't going to fix it today. That's pretty tight. So it's clean in there and a little bit shiny. It's 50 amp. A lot of this happens because we're drawing too many amps. But the other one is you connect it when the voltage is alive instead of the circuit breaker off. So here, we're going to put this on here. See how tight this one fits in there. Yeah, that's tight. Okay, folks, before the darn thing just fell out. Just about. I can't even get it out with one hand. Alright, so I'm going to need 2 hands, so I'll put this on pause. Alright, so it did take 2 hands to pull it out. And before I even do this, I will clean all this garbage up. I'm going to take this apart for you right now. I'm not going to fix it. That'll probably be another video, but I got an, it's old too. This is probably see, Midwest, Minnesota, huh? Manicote, Minnesota. And it's telling you that darn thing's old. Probably 20 years old. Put you on pause and we'll take these screws out and we're going to look inside. Alright, so I didn't find no loose connections on this one. This is just from drawing too many amps out of it. Pretty tight. I checked everything. Alright, so there you go. Alright. Alright, so I'm stiff as heck, my neck. Thank you very much for listening to me. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Hopefully this helps somebody out there change out a 30 amp receptacle. That's basically what that was. Thank you. Safe travels, may your campfires burn bright till we meet again, whether it's a filling station getting gas or diesel. And the campgrounds are on the road because I wave at every RV. My wife wants me to start, she's got a good idea about me putting like a banner on the side that says RV Diagnostics on the RV. But when I go on vacation, I really don't want to be bothered about fixing somebody's RV. But I'll sit around a campfire and talk to you about it. So we're going to head to, we like November, December going to local state parks. But we'll see where this next neck goes, whether it's surgery or just I'll get over it and it'll heal itself. So if there's surgery in order, I'll probably be out for the rest of the year working on RVs in the garage. But like I say, I have plenty of other stuff to do to help you learn. Thank you very much.